Today I'm going to try and create a whole new hairstyle with two separate hair pieces. This is a fake claw clip ponytail right here, and these are fake clip-on bangs. Both of these are from Hairdo USA. They are both synthetic hair. I did tweak the color a little bit by toning them in a specific way that I tone synthetic hair. I will link the video of how I tone my synthetic hair there. Keep in mind, this is for toning synthetic hair, not human hair. Please do not put fabric dye and alcohol on your human hair extensions. That is not the correct way to tone your human hair extensions. This video that I shared was for toning fake hair. Fake hair is in hair made of plastic, not human hair. Not fake hair is in a hair piece, but plastic hair. I normally probably wouldn't wear these two pieces together because I just feel like that would be a lot, but I thought it'd be fun to see if we could do something that would work and look cute, just because it would be fun. Okay, so I haven't really thought this through. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do, so let's just start, and if it works, great, and if it doesn't, we'll start again. So I'm gonna start by just throwing my hair into a ponytail. I'm gonna leave a part at the front because that's typically how I find the bangs work best, is if I kind of incorporate them with my hair. I'm gonna put the ponytail not too high up, and I'm gonna keep everything relatively kind of like soft and loose. I'm going to start with the ponytail clip. This claw clip is super, super tight and secure, so despite the weight from the hair, which isn't crazy heavy, but obviously it adds some weight that a normal claw clip usually wouldn't have, I don't worry about it falling out if I do wear it. So I'm gonna flip my ponytail up and clip the underside of my ponytail, just like as if I was flipping it up to use a claw clip. No, I'm not gonna do that because that's not gonna work and my hair is gonna sit on top of the claw clip. So I'm actually just gonna clip right over top of my ponytail. Scratch that. Just clip over top of my ponytail. Yeah, okay, that works. Cute. It's already cute. Even if I didn't add other hair, that is so cute. I do love this ponytail claw clip. It actually works super well if you don't have a lot of hair. If you have a lot of hair, it can be a little more tricky to kind of get all your hair into the claw clip without it being super obvious. So bonus for having thin hair, hair pieces are often easier to work with. So now we'll add the bangs. So I just unclip all three of these clips. And the reason this is purple is because I dyed the hair with purple fabric dye. When it came, it was blonde to match, but unfortunately when I dyed it, it's unavoidable that the fabric is also going to get dyed. Luckily, the hair is nice and dense. You cannot see the purple from the front. So I'm going to place on a nice center part there. I place the back clip first, and then I place the front ones. I don't put them right at my hairline. The front clips are sort of like half an inch or so back from my hairline. If I place them too far forward, I find the bangs are too long. You also don't want them to go too far back. And I like some of my natural hair, like I said, being in there because it makes it look more natural. I want to like adjust it, but it's not a ponytail, so I can't adjust it. So there we go. That's actually cute, and I didn't have to redo it. That actually worked out. I don't think I would wear both of these at the same time because it feels almost like wearing a wig, honestly. I mean, you totally could though. Nobody would know. It looks super cute. This hair always looks super real. I find the match came out really, really well. I love all my hair pieces from Hairdo USA, and for synthetic hair, it's great. So that was kind of fun, just to show that, you know, you can use different hair pieces together to get a look. Maybe you want the look of a ponytail with bangs, because I think it is such a cute look, ponytails with bangs, but I would never cut bangs like this in my hair. But I love to pop them in once in a while for fun, because it really is fun to have. And like I said, you can do it without the bangs, or you could do the bangs without the ponytail, whichever, or love having fun with hair pieces. Don't worry too much about fake hair. So many people worry about using fake hair because they get self-conscious. I know if you saw my recent video about my wigs, I still feel self-conscious when wearing wigs, but that's probably just because I need to get some that feel a little bit more like me. The ones I have, I don't think quite feel like myself, whereas these hair pieces feel like my hair, just better, just more enhanced. So I feel comfortable with these. Find hair that feels good, whether it's your hair, fake hair, human hair, synthetic hair, blue hair, pink hair, blonde hair, black hair. It doesn't matter. As long as it feels good on your head, that's amazing. I hope you found today's video fun and helpful, inspiring you to try different types of hair in your hair if that is something you've been interested in. Don't be afraid to try it, and don't be afraid of synthetic hair, because it's often a way more affordable option than a good quality human hair piece. A good quality synthetic piece will give you just as much fun and life as a good quality human piece, but usually comes with a much smaller price tag. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe, because you know that really helps me out here. If you are new, make sure you are subscribed so you are officially part of our DIY Hair School family. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you share this video with anyone that you think would find it helpful. Bye, guys.